This video is for practice 12C. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a ramp. To start, we're going to open the project Modern Hotel Ramp. Then we're going to open Floor Plans, Floor 1 View. Hide the grid lines by selecting one and typing VH. Repeat this step also to hide the annotations. In the Architecture tab, Circulation panel, click Ramp. In the Type selector, select Ramp, Hotel Ramp. In the Properties, set the base level to floor 1, so it means the ramp's going to start at floor 1. Select the base offset to -1, so it's going to be a foot below floor 1. Floor 1 is actually where this ramp is starting. Set the top level to floor 1 with the top offset of 0. So we don't want a ramp that goes from floor 1 to floor 8 because that would be an enormous ramp, or even floor 1 to floor 2. We only want it to have a slight incline, in this case of a foot. So it's changing a foot. Set the width to 6 feet. In the Modify, Create Ramp, Sketch tab, Tools panel, click Railing. Select the railing, Hotel Ramp Guardrail. Click OK. In the Work Plane panel, click Reference Plane. Draw the reference planes as shown in the figure. So we're coming down here, and we're going to draw a reference plane. One here, and then one 3 feet above that. And then we're going to draw a reference plane at 6 feet. You may have to use the temporary dimensions to adjust them, and that's okay if you do. Just remember that to adjust the temporary dimensions of where something is located, you click on the object you want to move, then when the temporary dimension pops up, you type in this box where you want to move it to. So be sure to show all of these dimensions in your screen capture so that I know that you did this correctly. Now we're going to click on the Modify to return to the Modify Create Ramp Sketch tab. In the Draw panel, we're going to click Run. Start the run as shown in the figure. Use the reference plane intersections to end the first run and then sketch the second run. So the start of the first run, it says it's right here. And then the second run is right here. And if you want to sketch the second run, we can draw that out. Before I sketch any more, I'm actually going to move this because it's not in the correct location. I'm going to move it up. There we go. So the bottom of the ramp is on this reference plane right here. Now I'm going to extend my ramp to meet the edge of the building. Then I'm going to click the green check mark. Then I'm going to look at it in 3D. So now you can see that my ramp rises approximately a foot from level 1 to level 1.